Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming identity and funding because Coinbase requires verified fiat to buy USD. Create the account, complete ID checks, then link a bank or debit card. Once done, deposit USD or use instant card funding. Make sure the balance reflects available funds. Enable two-factor authentication to protect purchases and speed future buys. Now that verification and funding are ready, proceed to the trading interface to select the exact USD purchase amount. You then navigate to trade, search for USD, and pick buy or convert depending on availability. Enter either the USD amount or the USD quantity you want. Coinbase will show estimated fees and final total, so review that carefully. Choose your linked payment method, bank for lower fees or card for speed, and select market for immediate execution or limit to control price. Once you confirm the order, Coinbase executes the trade. The USD appears in your Coinbase wallet shortly after. You finish by confirming the USD is in your Coinbase wallet and reviewing the transaction ID and timestamp for records. If you plan to hold long-term, consider withdrawing to an external wallet. Make sure you pick the correct network, TRC20 or ERC20, to avoid loss. If the buy fails or funds are pending, check payment limits, bank holds, and your verification status first. If unresolved, contact Coinbase support with the TX ID. One tip: delays often trace back to bank holds or insufficient KYC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.